Hey everybody, this is Eric with Heritage Ford over in Corydon, Indiana. And today I'm going to be driving a 2020 Ford Ranger XLT for the very first time. 2020 Super Crew 4x4 with the 5-foot box, 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, electronic 10-speed automatic transmission, 126-inch wheelbase in the lightning blue color with a ebony brown premium cloth seat on the interior. All right, so this is actually the first time I've even been around a Ranger. I've tested all the other vehicles, I've driven all the other vehicles, but I have yet to do a Ranger. And my first thoughts are that this is a nice little truck. This is we had the tough bed spray and bed liner from Ford right here. This is a nice comfy truck. It kind of reminds me of I had a buddy with an old Chevy S10 a long time ago, George Snyder, and I used to ride in that thing. And this is much, this is larger than that, but I enjoy this. All right, let's get in here. We have the manual seating on both the driver and passenger. This doesn't have an electronic parking brake like the other vehicles in the 2020 lineup. Decent little space. This is a nice little comfy, this is my mic, this is a nice little comfy truck. I like this because I've been in the F-150, and that's a massive truck, great truck. It's got everything in it. Cup holders for everyone. This is quintessential. 2 smart charging ports right there, 110 volt AC power. Man, I wish I had that when I was a kid. Let's see what we got here. Nice right there. Oh, let's check this out. Hold up. But where does it lead? Interesting. Must have to put these down too. Okay, so we get the lay of the land right now. These are nice. You can tell these are gonna last forever. Easy fuel capless filler, no problem with that. Look at these wheels real quick right before I take the drive. These look cool. Let's get in and take it for a drive. All right, so first thing that's different is that this does not have push to start. Oh, well, that's cool. So it's showing me, oh, that's nice. It was hot in here. So automatic AC, let's see, that's dual zone. Yeah, dual zone. So we had the Sync 3 system right here. You can tell by the display, 5.8 inch. This one is gonna have AM, FM, Sirius XM satellite, and then Bluetooth stereo for your phone. 212 volt chargers right there, cigarette lighters, whatever you want to call it. All right, so we are now in the 2020 Ford Ranger XLT. This is the very first time I'm going to be driving this. We are recording in crystal clear 4K video, and we have surround sound audio going right now. So if you want to take your phone and turn it to the side and also put in headphones, you're going to get a better experience. It's time to buckle up and let's get this thing going. All right, so we're getting started right here, and this, I'm getting a good feeling already. I can't tell you why yet because I haven't gotten to push the gas much yet. But all right, so one of the first things I'm noticing here is we have the Sync 3 entertainment system. It has that 5.8 inch display, and so that is this. You have audio climate, that's dual climate actually. You can connect your phone there, use mobile apps, and then do your settings in there. So another thing I just noticed, this has auto start and stop technology and a button to turn it off right up here. So if you don't know about auto start and stop, that is a technology that Ford put in all their engines, at least in 2020. Basically, when you get to a stop sign or a green light, it's going to turn your engine off, and then when you let off the brake or hit the gas, it is going to start again seamlessly, and that is to reduce idle time, which is going to give you a better fuel economy. Additionally, we have a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine in here, and I'm willing to bet it's turbocharged also, because that is pretty much the same engine that they're putting in pretty much every single 2020 Ford. And the reason for that is it is a smaller engine, so it's more fuel efficient, and then they're turbocharging it to make up for the power you lose from having a smaller engine. And you can just hear it start back up again. And that's nice. The next thing I'm seeing is we have the lane keeping system right in here, and then a button to turn it off right there. Hold up. Whoa. Whoa. Yes. Guys, okay. Sorry I had to put the pedal to the metal there, but I love how this thing drives. It has a degree, I don't know. I'll have to tell you here in a second. All right, so right now we are at our straightaway, where we at Heritage Ford just take the vehicle a little fast and let you hear it. So I'm gonna hold this mic up and let you hear this engine. Now that is nice. All right, so that is how the engine sounds in the XLT trim of the Ranger, and that was really nice. I really enjoyed that. This 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine is peppy, and then there's something about the steering on this truck that I really enjoy. It's I don't know, with some new cars I get this calculated feeling, like my steering is kind of being moderated by a computer. Now that's weird, and that's not the case, but with this, it just feels like a normal old car to drive, and that's just something about that. All right, we got the rear view. We have that rear view backup camera with proximity sensors in the back. These are the proximities, so we must have the rear sensors in the back also. I'm gonna back this in. I really enjoyed driving that. I like driving that more than F-150. I'm not a truck guy though, so